Hey everybody, I'm Cinnamon Cooney, your art Sherpa, and this is the value study for number 9 in Acrylic April. I'm really excited about this poppy. I think this value study is actually going to help us take this image and pop it up a notch. On the mic is my husband, John.
Hey guys.
He's going to be tracking with the cameras, keeping me company so that I can keep my energy up for these awesome studies because I think they're really helping everybody. I know they're helping me, and I'm loving seeing how these resources are helping beginners succeed even quicker in their art lessons. Let's get into our valuable value study.
All right.
All right. So I have my beautiful homework printed out right here, which is really cool. I created these sheets for you guys. I am doing this on Strathmore paper for the inkjet printer. They have it. It's the texture one. I really enjoyed it. I think I'm hooked for life. This is something I'm going to use a lot of. And also I'm going to have 30 really pretty value studies that are there after this event is over. Now I'm going to mix a middle gray. It'll probably be a little bit lighter than maybe that background. I've got to create a little more drama between the objects. So I'm going to be using color. I'm going to use all the things in my arsenal, my artist arsenal.
Are ya?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This poppy, I'm way into doing. There's this fence that gets passed around. Several of you just went, oh, I know the fence. And it's really gorgeous. And I wish it was in my backyard. So this is kind of wish fulfillment here. So I'm going to start out painting in the whole background. Whole background with this fabulous gray. Pretty excited about this. Got a lot going on right now. So I get, you know, when you guys are sharing what's happening in your lives, I get it. John and I have kind of similar stuff afoot. Mm-hmm. So in the middle of Acrylic April is a busy touring schedule. That's convenient.
Right.
Yay! It's the month of all acrylic. But don't worry, we had a plan for all of that so you guys won't even have a single misstep. And I like to keep my commitments because I know that helps you guys keep yours. So if it's at all humanly possible without stressing myself out or my family out, I will try to do it. John will try to do it.
Now,
we have a nice little middle gray there.
We don't seem to be able to go live on time.
No.
But we try.
I don't know. Was that a commitment? I don't know.
I think it's a goal.
I feel like I want this to be maybe one shade of gray lighter. And here I go.
You made it lighter.
I made it lighter.
And that's what the study thing is for, huh?
That is what the study thing is for, because what is dramatic in a painting is strong transitions between value and dynamic oppositions between color. So in this, I'm going to talk about the color and the value. And through that, I'm hopefully going to get a much more exciting painting. Now, I'm going to use the poppy is actually my darkest value. So I'm very excited about this, especially under here where it's under the poppy. Mm. And we also get to start thinking about what it's like to paint this gorgeous flower. Bring it down a little bit. You know, it's got this nice stem. There's its little stem. So already that's sort of, even though it's abstracted right now, that's kind of an exciting little shape that's going on. You know, and we're going to bring some of that color here. I can see right here at the back in this little wrinkly, fabulous way is another nice dark value. When we play this with the yellows and really exaggerate it in color, oh, what a painting it's going to be. What a painting. So probably one of the easiest of the value studies we will be doing. And we are going to be simplifying the background a bit, just so that this particular one where the poppy just really stands out, where it's like a singular, gorgeous event. Mm. And I may even come here and just, because anywhere I can exaggerate these transitions, I'm going to be happy. See how we're exaggerating these transitions?
Yes.
We want to exaggerate them. Now, into the petals, it's going to be our brightest little value, so we'll just bring some of that here and talk about these little wrinkles in the petals. Super fun. Well, fun for me. Hopefully you guys are having fun too. Hopefully this will be, for some of you, your favorite piece. All right. And then I've got, I can see a little bit of some little bits of sunlight through here. Little value transitions. And then even into this, it looks like we're going to have little bits of creping and some fun little stories in color. And it feels like there's this shadow being beautifully cast through here, so that'll be something we get to pay attention to. I'm just thinking about those little shapes. I think that's a basic sense of what we're going to have. And why is that important? Because it just looks very simple, almost abstracted. The reason this is important is it's going to help me now make some color decisions. And to do that, I'm going to use my color harmony wheel. This is one I got off of Amazon, and it works really, really well. You can see that our predominant color in this piece is red, and our contrast to that, our complement, is this sort of phthalo turquoise, which you know is one of my faves. Here's our group of muted analogous colors. Here is our muted reds, and then we get into our brights, and you can see that right here we're going to be playing with it, and right here we can be playing with it. So there's a lot of things. The discord will be any bright green that I put into it. So if I decide to pop any bright green into it, that would be there, or I could do the purple. But I think, though that is really pretty, I think I'm going to really mostly stick here with maybe a little highlight in green. So that is the color decision. It's been made, and the value study let us do that. And that play between those colors is what's going to really make this very simple design work. All right. So we got a value study, and that was probably the easiest one that we've gotten to do. Maybe the easiest one for the event. But I think this is going to be one of those paintings that really surprises all of us, and I'm really looking forward to see what you do with it. Come back to the next video, and I will show you how to draw this in using the grid method, and you'll get to see what our underpainting looks like, which is going to be kind of fun and exciting. And if you want to use the traceable, feel free to use that. I have to say to you, tracing is definitely not cheating in any way. All right, be good to yourself, be good to each other. I want to see you at the easel really soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.